Beautiful. Mushrooms are fun to find. Hope I can find a few more up there today. Whoops. Well, so far, what's gonna keep me alive until gillnet time? I know I have enough of them. The last 14 days. You're collecting everything you can see and find along the way. Thank God I have all these plants, and they'll carry me till I get a fish. I can't let the mushrooms go bad. I'm worried about being cold and damp. I don't like being stored in a hole. They're not like cranberries. Yeah, food preservation is one of my favorite things to do. One of my faves. I love salting, fermenting, drying, canning, boiling in pressure. I do this in schools all the time. We did a lot of food preservation. We made cream of mushroom soup from wild boletes and sold it to the public. Man, the kids just loved it. Loved it. They go do it on their own. Find an activity that revolves around food, they're probably gonna jump on it. And it's a bunch of wonderful people in education, man. The best, I loved it. Part of my new mushroom picking attire is a smoked bolete necklace. We are done. Holy. So we have our lines up here. This one here is our red slime balls. The one back here is our pines. They're feeling nice. We processed about 30 plus pounds today. Mushrooms are nice. I don't know what it looks like from here. 4 to 6 inches of snow last night. So I ain't gonna be picking any mushrooms anytime soon. That might be all I got. So I waited to the last moment. We got the snow and it looks like it's not gonna stop. Gonna insulate today. It is time to get my ass in gear and get some warmth in my shelter. I mean, it's necessary now. Where is the most insulation in your house? Not in your floor, it's not in your walls, it's in your roof, in your attic, because heat rises. And so for me, I'm gonna build the insulation where the heat is gonna go. Okay, the rest of the lambs are just tossing on face down with insulation. That's the stick parts. I'm trying to finish up the door. Man, this kind of makes it a little more serious now. Gotta get everything going, man. Snow days, man. I remember sledding as a kid and coming in and mom having hot chocolate, God, cookies or whatever you wanted. Holy cow, that was awesome. This shelter is 95% done, which for me means done. And so I feel like I'm ready for winter. Cranberries are covered in snow. Hey, the boat's still there. Decided it's time to go boating. Okay, here we go, the old keep the boot dry entrance. The butt will most certainly not be dry. It'll be ice. Cold. I want to catch more fish. I need to get a surplus of calories. Take the trap. Okay, got it. Now, just that fish at least. No fish. Let's go fishing. It didn't produce like I'd hoped. Back home in Alaska, I was in a long-term relationship with a woman who had a young daughter named Jordan. It was the closest thing I've ever had to my own child. So Jordan and I had this motto, just that we never give up, no matter what we're doing. And so when I have tough times out here, my mind immediately goes to her. And it's kept me going, thinking about her when times get tough and what she would say. I'm extremely stubborn and resilient. I don't give up. Got one. Get ready. Coming in hot. God, he almost jumped in the boat. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, yes. Holy. Let's keep going. Here we go. Second one. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, 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 yes. Yes. Thank you, fish. Check that out. 2 of them. 2 rainbows. Totally happy about that. I am a vegetarian no longer.